Ready to unlock the full potential of AI? Let's dive into 10 game-changing prompt engineering tips. First up, keep it simple. Clear and concise prompts help AI understand you better. Next, context is king. Give your AI enough background to get the most accurate responses. Hack number 3, be specific. The more detailed your prompt, the better the output. Instead of vague prompts like write about climate change, use detailed instructions such as write a 300-word explainer on how rising ocean temperatures affect coral reefs aimed at high school students. Tip number 4, use examples. Show the AI what you want, it learns faster that way. Tip 5, avoid ambiguity. Vague prompts lead to vague answers. Number 6, ask for step-by-step solutions. This helps the AI break down complex tasks. Tip number 7, rephrase if needed. Don't hesitate to tweak your prompt for clarity. 8th tip, use structured data inputs. AI loves organized information. 9th on the list, test different approaches. Experiment to see what works best. And finally, the 10th hack, keep learning. AI evolves and so should your prompts. Ready to master AI? Start using these hacks today and watch your results improve.